You want, it says 1 or 2 on your screen.
1.
1, okay. Speak.
No, you speak.
Can you hear me?
Copy. Yeah.
Can hear me?
You're a over. I ain't never had a walkie-talkie while I'm driving. This nigga got me running the fake plates. We're in Mexico. Oh, let's get out of here. My car is tweaking. All right, I'll see you guys when we get to the meet. We already got a code language. Look. I just called his ass.
See cops. Where the police at?
Right in front of me.
Copy.
He's reached far. He's pretty far up ahead. He's like at the light damn near. I'm back here just chilling. You're probably wondering how I'm using the camera and the walkie-talkie. All right, I'm just gonna cut. Just got to the meet, shit deep, and we early as fuck. This nigga got a bomba class shopping cart, bro. What the fuck? Huh?
That shit's on JNC.
Nigga has a shopping cart on his hood. On his roof.
JNCs?
What the fuck is that? What is that? Reps?
Replica. That's like replica of replica.
Oh my god. Let's go to the right side. I'm gonna see what's over there. Oh shit, this nigga roving on that DCT. Alright, buddy, we get it. You're not a manual, nigga.
Bro, forget the BMW. Look at the NSX.
The NSX? We got an early. This is the rooftop. You know, VIP with the fakes. Made it past the Jakes with the fakes.
Mustang, go upstairs.
Ain't that low. Go upstairs. Mustang, don't hit me, bro. Don't kill me, bro. Holy setup. Got the fucking. That's crazy. Oh my god, dude. These Houston meets are crazy. Yo, the wagon?
I don't know if you're gonna make it, boss. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, he just might.
He just might. No,
Just might.
no, he's not. He's gonna send it.
Send it.
He's not gonna do it, pussy.
He's not risking it,
He
pussy.
pussy. Oh my god.
I'm used to that V8.
Alright, let's get more water.
Tight shit, nigga. Look at this shit line, nigga. Look at this shit line, bro.
Yo, leaving a trail, nigga. What the fuck? Look at these, yeah. Just put the fries in the bag, bro.
No, upstairs.
Adunka, just put the fries in the bag, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Look at this. Taking out the trash like a real fucking fast food worker.
Busting my.
Look at this.
Yo, follow me today.
Damn. It's leaking, but I got a leak or what?
Oh yeah.
Oh my.
Been getting in my eye. Dutch Charger.
Yeah.
Fucking he couldn't drive his own shit.
He's a wild ass nigga. There's the therm. This old piece of shit that locked up on me. Man, fuck you.
Fuck.
Yeah, we're in E46 heaven right now.
Literally.
This bro got the cleanest set. He got a whole stack of wheels for drifting and shit. Bro, what are these feds doing, bro? They chasing me, nigga, bro. This shit bright as hell. Shit gonna get 3 coolant jugs, not 1, not 2, but 3 to fill this hole up, and hopefully.
And 40.
So, hopefully we'll skip to when this shit's done. Fast forward, all right? Bro, I literally just did the high pressure, not even like a week ago, and then I'm doing the water pump today. So now we're actually gonna go see if it actually will run right. And then next, the only thing will be was the valve cover and then port injection, and we can actually go gap some shit, crazy shit. So, but getting ready right now, cleaning up, about to get on the road, do some logs, let's get it.
You gonna make a left at the light. Oh my god. Make a left right here.